Hello friends, welcome to your channel Phenomen. Today we will be discussing that NSE has launched its new index. So let's start the video for the complete review. Yes, the NSE Indices Limited has launched its new index which is based on Nifty Housing Index. It will be based on housing theme, and this index is just launched on 15th Feb 2022. It will be a completely different index from the Nifty Realty Index. So actually the Nifty Realty Index was launched in 2007, and which was launched to reflect the performance of the real estate company that are actually engaged in the construction of residential and commercial properties. Now this will be a completely different from its Nifty Realty Index. This Nifty Housing Index will aim to track the performance of the stock that are broadly representing the housing theme. Companies who are engaged in the housing related business will be included in this index. So it will include industries like cement and cement product, then painting companies, then housing finance companies, banking companies, NBFC companies, home furniture making companies, electronic items, house appliances, houseware, etc. Those related or connected to the houses will be included in this index. This index will have maximum 50 companies, and these 50 companies will be selected from the Nifty 500 index, and NSE has given a permission that this index can be used for variety of purpose such as benchmarking, creation of index fund, ETF, etc. So we may soon see that mutual fund company may bring the ETFs or index fund based on this Nifty Housing Index. Now the NSE has kept a certain limit on sectors and stock in this index. Not a single sector will have a more than 25% allocation or weightage in this index, and not a single stock or a share or a company will have a more than 10%. Means one sector will have a maximum 25% weightage, and one single share will have a maximum 10% cap in this index. Now further we will discuss that number of constitute in this index will be, that is maximum 50 companies will be there. This index has been launched on just 15th Feb, and base date will be considered as a 2005, and base value will be considered 1000. That is, to start the trading in this index it will be launched at 1000, that it will start trading at 1000 rupees. Calculation will be done at the end of the each day, and this index will be regularly at 6 monthly basis will be rebalanced. That is, filtering will be taken in this index. That is, those company performing will be included in this index, and those company which are not performing will be excluded from this index. So rebalancing will be taken care by NSE on 6 monthly basis. Fundamentals, then PE ratio of this index is coming out at 17.51, and price to book ratio comes to the 3.55, and dividend yield comes to 0.77%. Now what will be the sectors in this index? As you can see that not a single sector having a more than 25% weightage, as we have already discussed. So financial sector having a 25.83%. This is because of rounding off, but as you can see, not more than 25%. It is within the 25%. That is, financial service sector having a 25.83% weightage. Then consumer sector will have a weightage of 17.30% weightage, and cement and cement product companies will have a weightage of 16% nearly. Construction companies will have a weightage of 13%. Power and fuel companies will have a weightage of around 11%. Metal sector will have a weightage or allocation around 11%, and oil and gas will have a weightage of around 5%. Now weightage based on the companies. So as you can see, not single company having more than allocation of 10%, as we have already discussed. So first you will get a mix of every kind of sector and mix of every kind of company. So you will get a good exposure of various sectors, multiple sector and multiple companies. So Larsen and Toubro, which is engaged in the construction of houses, so will be included in this index. That is L&T will have a 10% weightage. Then Asian painting is used for housing purpose. Then painting company is also there, 8.70% weightage. Then HDFC and ICICI Bank providing the finances loan to the home buyers will be included, will have a weightage of 6.64 and 5.59 respectively. Then Tata Steel is also used for making the houses. Then 5% weightage will have. Ultratech Cement is crucial for the building a home, then cement will be used, then 5% weightage. Then HDFC Limited, who is also providing a finance, then 4.65% weightage will also be there. Adani Green providing a power and fuel, then that will also be included, that have a 4% weightage. Then NTPC is also engaged in the power sector, will be providing a power to the houses, then that will also be included. Then will have a weightage of 4%. And Grasim Industries engaged into the textile business, so textile is also used for making the houses, so around 4% weightage will also be there. These are the top stocks of these indexes.